Hello, welcome to Evolve Mobility. My name's Paul, and today we're looking at the BYD E6. For those of you who are new to the BYD brand, BYD stands for Build Your Dreams. They've been around since 1995 as a consumer electronics battery manufacturer, but in 2003 they started moving into electric vehicles, focusing mostly on commercial vehicles like trucks, vans and buses, and forklifts. In recent years though, they've started moving towards passenger vehicles, and there's more models on the way.
For the latest pricing on the E6, please check the video description below. Something to note is that the price includes a home charger, but if you don't need one, you can get a $2,000 rebate.
So the powertrain inside the E6, we've got a 90 kilowatt motor at the front. That's putting out 121 brake horsepower and 450 Newton meters of torque. Underneath, we've got an 80 kilowatt hour battery pack, and all of this leads to a 400 kilometer range. One of the things interesting about the BYD E6 when it comes to charging is that it's got a 63 amp three-phase system. It's got a Type 2 plug, and what this means is that at these sorts of speeds, you could recharge the whole battery in under 2 hours. When it comes to boot space, you've got a lot to work with. There's 450 liters of capacity here. But one thing to remember though, it's quite a high loading height, so you need to take that into account.
The BYD E6 comes with a vehicle warranty for 6 years, up to 150,000 kilometers, and the battery for 10 years, up to 500,000 kilometers.
So when it comes to driving the BYD E6, it's pretty rugged. It's got some nice acceleration straight off the line, which is always very good, and something which you get used to when you start to drive EVs more and more. Steering, it's quite stiff, it's quite sporty. Other things which are quite nice as well is we've got this infotainment system as well, which is an aftermarket thing which is added here in Singapore, it seems. And it's very useful. I mean, it's got some pretty cool little features. It's even got navigation built in with Waze. So if Waze is the thing you use to get around, then it's a pretty useful little app. It's built straight into the car, so that's always good fun.
You have 2 driving modes to choose from, Eco and Sport. Even in the Sport mode, you're definitely going to feel the 2.4 tons of weight and its large footprint. It's really going to grip the road. Eco mode will try and eke out as much of that range as it can from the battery pack. It does this by increasing regenerative braking and also by decreasing the amount of acceleration.
So when you get into the car, you've got this fantastic dashboard, which is showing you your average consumption when it comes to your battery pack, gives you the temperature outside, temperature inside, the odometer, even tells you what your battery percentage is like, estimated range which is left. So right now it's showing just over 300 kilometers of range. So that's plenty of range to get us around the island here. And also really nice little graphics showing you where the power is going and where it's going out to the wheels and when it's coming back into the battery. So really, really nice little feature that.
Check the video description below for updates on promotions. These are special offers just for Evolve Mobility viewers and may be available for a limited period of time.
So in summary, when you consider the BYD E6, it's basically functionality to the max. When you consider the amount of range you get, the amount of space you have inside, the amount of money you're going to spend on it, you can't really go wrong. If you're new to EVs, this ticks every single box. You're not looking for lots and lots of frills here, but that's fine. Even said that, you've got a infotainment system inside, which has got some pretty cool little features. So that's more than I was really expecting. So I would say, definitely give this a look.
So that was the BYD E6. If you enjoyed this video, please consider supporting us by hitting the like button at the bottom. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get a notification every time we release a video. Until the next time, thank you.